God. Oh God. Holy shit! Ada ada. Oh God, that was a real one. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, those. Oh. 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 Whoa. Whoa. Nah. I think there. Whoa. Whoa. They didn't wanna. They didn't.
For you, Mordio. So I guess it's goodbye then.
Huh? Oh!
It's so gooey. It's giving me the chill.
Oh, fuck. Oh!
This whole
Oh, fuck. What? What? Okay.
It's a Zelda herself. But now,
I see these, you sneaky son of a bitch. Whoa. More spaced out, cause the story gets serious. But. Can you guys hear me? To where? Oh, God, that felt amazing. Oh my God. Why am I so fucking burpy right now?
let's get out of here.
Carol, I am so sorry.
Some other way.
Oh my fucking God.
Forget it. Let's go.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh God.
I feel like
Oh God. Oh jeez.
we finished them off.
Okay.
You wouldn't have lost track of it.
You tell him, Yuri.
Oh, well, soon be able to replace him.
Rago, how can you say such higher?
I think that was a random one.
That voice.
Oh, hold on. See? Hi. No.
Belch.
There you go.
Ah.
We will continue.
Man, could you be any weirder?
Oh. Oh my god. Ugh.
We're done.
Oh god. Those. Ugh. Ooh. Get rid of that shitty bow. Up. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Ugh. Oh! Jesus. What are the meanings of OG life?
Not lately.
Oh my god.
Oh?
Excited! Oh god.
Looks like it led to the royal quarter.
Everything.
Oh! I'm good. They're bad news bears.
A new discovery. Did you know?
Oh god. Oh god. Here.
All right.
Ugh.
One. With this sword, I shall protect the people. Wasn't it?
Point. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh fuck. There you go. Oh fuck. Main quests. Apparently they're glitched. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, I'm good. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. That one can't. Oh, jeez. Fuck. Jesus. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Like this. That's a real burp. Oh god, it's a modest test of strength. Here we go. Oh god. Oh! Ugh.
Bitch.
That color is where the ground absorbed the blood of
Person. He just seems like a person who, that Ruby was the first one I got. Oh, Jesus. Take that. Oh, God. I think that... Sensation? Oh, Jesus. And not supposed to do that. Okay, so oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Whew. Ah! I'm just selling out. Don't worry. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna fucking. Oh, fuck. Oh god. Hold on, I got a little burp. There we go. Oh, one more. Whoa. Oh god.
欲しい
Hoshi.
外
Soto, outside. A room. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. You. Oh, fuck me. I have to, oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I was about to say. I was about to.
Sorry for the trouble. I'll let her know that I'm
About like Walmart or Burgers or some shit like that. Fuck. So.
Cute.
Oh, fuck. I just read this.
Dungeon is down there.
Yesterday, I ate 2 sandwiches on stream, and I felt full. Ugh. 24:37. Jane, which means bye. And for some reason it was tripping me up. Which means it doesn't mean that burp and then hook shot to the chest. I mean burp twice and then hook shot to the chest. Just kidding.